A warm hello to all my lovely and wonderful dearest dear listeners and readers. I wish you're all doing well wherever you are. Today we have brought for you something extra, something more, along with your regular book review podcasts. A brand new series titled COVID-19 Hell on Earth. Yes, this COVID-19 virus is nothing short of Patal Lok for all of us. For all those listeners who aren't aware of what the word Patal Lok means, the meaning of this word is simply hell. As in, this COVID-19 virus has turned all our lives into a living hell. But we can't let this coronavirus dictate terms to us forever. We humans will live our lives healthily and prosper. But how? Well, this is exactly what these 10 audio podcast episodes within this series summarize. So, do take a listen to them, and I sincerely hope that they will be of some help to whatever solution you're looking for, whatever answers you're searching for. Episode 1. Today's topic. Coronavirus, why is it so deadly in its effects? This coronavirus is just something truly out of this world. One of a kind. I mean, it enters the human body as a respiratory virus, but kills its host body as a cardiovascular virus. This COVID-19 virus just doesn't infect one organ in the body but has the deviant ability to infect and finish off multiple organs simultaneously. This deadly lethal coronavirus can give stroke to the brain, cardiac arrest to the heart, damage kidneys so much that one has to be put on dialysis, inflammate lungs and cause breathing difficulty so much that the patient would be put on a ventilator, damage stomach and intestinal linings and bowel movements, and yes, not to forget, can cause the COVID toes rash as well. Plus, as we all know, that any and every virus mutates, particularly when it jumps from one human body to another. But this spread of mutation happens slowly and over a long period of time. And anyway, the only goal that any virus has is to keep becoming more infectious, but to be less harmful, that is, lethal in the short term. Cause if the virus is deadly in the initial stages, then the human body it has entered in won't have the strength to move out and infect others. But this is where this COVID-19 coronavirus is so different and unusual in its behavior. It not only has mutated into more deadly strains on every different continent and even within large countries, like the coronavirus on the west coast of US in California is different from the coronavirus of the east coast of USA in New York, which has proven to be the deadliest of all till now. See, one country, two different strains, types of that one single coronavirus. Now, along with this too, there is currently a new developing strain which is affecting young kids and inflamming their lungs and other vital organs, causing instant death among them, which is a worrisome sign for many doctors. Also, this virus is providing less time, hardly 14-15 days, before it gets completely stuck into the host's central nervous system and lungs and starts killing him from within. This virus has the least amount of patience with its host after the host has done the main job for the virus, which is spread infection to as many people as possible in those early 14-15 days since it had been infected the host body originally. Well, what I feel is that this COVID-19 virus is studying and understanding the working of a human body, its immune system at a faster clip than we humans are being able to study and understand the virus. And not only that, this virus seems to be learning how to survive in human hosts of different climatic conditions really soon. Well, if this situation remains as such for a long time, then any vaccine we humans develop against this novel coronavirus won't remain much effective for a long time, because this virus will find its own immunity against that vaccine and get around it in a jiffy. Finally, if any analogy is to be used to understand better the workings of this coronavirus, then sport lovers, particularly cricket fans, well, you will understand this clearly by listening to the following. This COVID 19 virus is like a batsman who begins his innings like Virat Kohli, scores prolifically like Kane Williamson, accelerates scoring like A.B. de Villiers, goes for crazy slog hitting like Ben Stokes, and finishes in style like Mahendra Singh Dhoni. To put it in a nutshell, guys, this virus is a super smart bug. Hence, so much killing all around us. Hopefully, we will control it. So, guys, this was today's podcast on this topic of episode 1 in our series COVID 19 Hell on Earth. I hope you have liked it and keep listening to us. Stuck around for more coming episodes. See you soon. The alchemist has left the building.